So yes, for one, when an employee has a contract with an employer, it may specify the employee is employed for a term of 1 year. It may specify that contract maybe in writing, and it may specify that the employee can only be fired for certain reasons. Typically, executives in a company will have for cause restrictions that say that they can only be fired if, for example, they are intoxicated at work. And so that's one example of an exception, a written contract. Another example is when the employee is part of a unionized workforce where there is a process for terminating employees under either a collective bargaining agreement or under what's called a memorandum of understanding. So, for example, a city will have a contract with a police force that makes it extremely difficult to terminate police officers other than for very clear, serious cause, and there's a whole process for dealing with that. So the police officers for most cities, I would say nearly all cities in the United States, would have a contract, either a memorandum of understanding or a collective bargaining agreement, as well as a statute. In California, it's called the Police Officer Bill of Rights, that governs how police officers, for example, can be terminated.